Thanks for watching. In this video, I'm going to share some of the learning I have by building Gen 12 Kayak. As you know, I'm not trained in building boats. Some of the ideas I'm sharing here may not make any sense to those professional boat builders. I welcome their comments and feedback. To determine where the location of the seat should be, for symmetric boat like Gen 9 Plus and Gen 12, you may place the back of the seat about 12 inches behind the middle of the boat. And the actual seat should be about 5 inches or 6 inches away from the midpoint of the boat, as shown here. This will give you an almost even keel with a little bit slope to the back. For example, with Gen 12, it's a 10 feet boat. The draft in front is a 3.5 inch, 4 inch in the middle, and 4.5 inch at the stern. Now, let's take a look at how I modify the hull shape and stability of Gen 12. When I designed the Gen 12, I don't want a flat bottom like my Gen 9 Plus. Therefore, I bring this line higher, about 2 inches here. But I didn't expect the depth of the boat would be increased by 4.5 inch. When I was with Gen 9 Plus, this delta is only about half an inch. This resulted with a larger freeboard than I have expected. Also, the width of the water plane is too narrow for my body weight. In my first water test, I took a 24 pounds battery with me just in case, and I actually have to use it. To change the design so that it will fit my body weight, I add 2 triangles, one in front and one at the back. This created a finer hull shape. It also reduced the overall depth of the boat by 2.5 inch. With my body weight plus the weight of the boat, the width of the water plane will be at 26 inches, and this volume will be submerged, and the boat should be very stable for me. Because of the slightly rounded hull shape, this boat should be more stable than my Gen 9 Plus in rough water. In my water test, Gen 12 takes a little bit more effort to turn. There's a way to change that. And if I have planned ahead, I could have added a little bit rocker in the bow and stern by ending the triangle a few inches before this point. This will create this kind of side profile, and this will help the turning of the boat. However, I don't want to mess up with the current design. I will add this feature to my future boats. In my next video, I'm going to show you how I fold this Gen 12 together. It turned out it is very easy to fold this boat together. Please give me a thumbs up if you like the content. Thanks again for watching. See you.